Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am ANISAH AYUNING PUTRI from 12 Science 6 number 3. In here, I will show you how to make kebab. Prepare the tools and ingredients. In this video, the tools and ingredients I use cucumber, tomato, sauce sambal, tomato sauce, margarine, beef, tortilla, lettuce, knife, cutting board, plate, pan, and spatula. The step is cut the cucumber and tomato rather thinly. Set aside. Then heat a frying pan and margarine. After that, put the tortilla in a frying pan. And bake until it bubbles. If it has bubbled immediately behind the tortilla and slightly press it so that it cooks well. Then set aside. Roast the beef until cooked. Don't forget behind the meat. Set aside. Arrange a sheet of baked tortilla. Give a sheet of lettuce leaves. Pile with roast beef, cucumber, tomato, don't forget to give sauce sambal. Then tomato sauce. And then fold the tortilla. Kebab are ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video.